New at 6 tonight, state officials working to increase testing capacity before reopening parts of the economy. An antibody test will be part of the equation. Tonight, News Channel 3's Shelby Nelson explains what that testing could mean if it's implemented on a grand scale.
The most important framework is our capacity to expand our testing.
Governor Newsom laid out 6 key points he says are necessary for any future chance at normalcy.
Our numbers are encouraging to show that through the typical PCR tests, even before we have serologic tests that we hope will be available in the next many days, next couple of weeks really, at a scale that we don't have today, that we'll be able to do tens of thousands of tests, not just for the sickest, but all throughout.
The goal ultimately to have widespread testing.
Antibody testings are so important is because then we can catch that asymptomatic population to see what the true infection rate really was.
But there's a clear-cut distinction when it comes to what you should know about these tests.
PCR testing is the nasal swab that tests for actual COVID-19 virus.
There's also serological tests that measure antibodies in your bloodstream.
The virus could be gone from your body. But it looks at whether or not your body has mounted an immune response against that virus and now has the antibody memory of having fought off that virus.
So far, the FDA has approved 4 serological tests for emergency use authorization.
The FDA response now getting kicked into overdrive as the demand increases through the coronavirus pandemic. But is FDA approval necessary?
It's one more step to get maybe a little bit more accurate of information. Is it 100% necessary? Maybe not.
The tests can allow people to know whether they've been exposed to the virus, but Dr. Fung says there could be discrepancies.
How soon is too soon? And what if it is a false negative? So I think we just need more data and more studies.
Shelby Nelson, News Channel 3.
The doctor is saying some questions to ask your doctor if they do offer the test is it FDA approved and just how accurate is it?